Hey guys, I'm gonna do a cleaning video. This is our refrigerator. I don't know why I've let it become a hot mess, guys. But yeah, I just took the first shelf off and I gotta take those off. This is my first one. Oh, some paper must have got stuck underneath. Yeah, because I already cleaned this. But I always put a clear liner inside, so if anything's sticky, it really doesn't get the inside sticky, it gets this sticky. So I'm just going to clean this with hot water. And if it needs soap or anything, but it really doesn't look that bad. The water's not hot yet. I would not have my hand under burning hot water. I got my steamer with me, and I have some nice disinfectant wipes that I'm using to clean the fridge today. Okay, first drawer is back in. Of course, gotta take all this out. Ugh, that was sticky. Jesus, came out fast. Let me see. Is this dirty? Not really. But that is if I spaced that too close. We'll see. You totally don't realize how many condiments you have until you start cleaning your fridge. It's crazy. I couldn't decide what I was going to do, but later on I finally said, you know what? We're not really eating out anymore, so yeah, let's throw these condiments away. So that's what I ended up doing.
Okay, here's the final results. We look like alcoholics from my husband's beer. Jesus Christ. Here are the sides. This looks crappy, but this is food my mother-in-law gave my husband. This is his tray, and I gotta pack him some lunch. But yeah, everything's nice and clean. There was so much crap under these containers. I don't know if soy sauce fell through here, or no, it had to have been through here. So my husband loves Chinese food, and he puts soy sauce on everything. So it was black stuff from his drawer all the way down to under this fruit. And look at this. I don't have money to go buy those clear containers, so I use some black Tupperware, and then I use the tops for the grapes and the apples. But oh my god, and then I wanted my bottled water in here because I'm so thirsty. And yes, I randomly have two purple potatoes, and those little yellow ones. But yes, it's complete. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.